Hi everybody, this is Sonia and this is my Cat Crazy Creations crochet video for April 1st, 2018. And I wish everybody a happy Easter for those that celebrate, and just have a great day for those of you that do not. Today I do have some finishes to show you, and I'm going to talk about some projects that I'm going to be working on. So let's go ahead. Oh, and I'm going to do the giveaway winner as well. Okay, the first thing that I want to show is I print everything in black and white. So anyway, it's this little Chicken Little. I don't know if you can see, it's right there. I made Chicken Little. Only I made him out of cotton yarn with the baby colors, pastel baby colors. And he has orange beak, well, a terracotta beak, red comb. So here he is. Really cute. Really cute. The top, side, the feet. So cute. Very easy project. I got this on Ravelry. It's free pattern. And it's from Drops Design on Ravelry. Drops Design, D-R-O-P-S, Design. Very easy, very simple to make. Love it. I made this as part of a baby gift that I will be sending to someone that I watch on YouTube. I'm not sure if they watch me, so that's why I'm going ahead to show it, because I'm not sure. So there's that. And the next thing that I made was, it's a free pattern, and this is from the Crochet Spot that I always talk about, very easy patterns, crochet patterns. Well, they had one called Lovable Elephant Applique. Now what I have found out, I don't do them as appliques. I get a huge needle, like this called for an F. I used a J or a K hook to make this. And what I did, I only put the eye on one side because it's going to be sitting up against something, so I did not need it. If I was giving it as a gift, it would have had the same thing on both sides. I made a stuffy. So if you like some appliques, but you don't really want to do them as appliques, get a bigger hook and make them into stuffies. This is the elephant. They have the heart shape as like for the ear. And I was to embroider on an eye, but I had a little eye, so I stuck it on. The only thing I stuffed was the body. And I made two sides and put them together. And there's the tail. That's what the back looks like. But it's a little stuffed animal out of an applique. So for those of you that have never thought about that, yeah, give them a try. You could do that with flowers. There's a lot of flower appliques. And this is free as well on Crochet Spot. But yeah, it's my little elephant. So I made that. And I had told you that I was going to be doing a finger knitted cookie. Oh, before I forget, this yarn was Sugar and Cream, and it was Pretty Pastels. Sugar and Cream, pretty pastels. Wanted to make sure I got that in. And the elephant was just scrap yarn. Okay, so anyway, I told you I was wanting to do the finger knitted cookie. So I did that, and I used sugar and cream, and this is ecru, so this is it. It's cotton yarn, and then I had some brown. It's just regular worsted weight yarn, and this pattern can be found on the Knit Show with Vicki Howell. She's on YouTube. I brought her up before. I will try to put everything down below. But go subscribe to her, because every now and again she will have crochet items on there. She had one where she finger knit, and I hadn't done that in so long. So I watched her video, did the finger knitting, then she made a Samoa cookie. So I wrote down the directions, and this is my cookie. There's the hole. I think the hole could have been a little bigger, but that's okay. So here is the cookie that I made from my hand knit. Here's the back. You're supposed to use felt. I did not have any felt, and I finished this off yesterday. So I went ahead and just crocheted the dark on the back to look like the chocolate. But that is the cookie that I made. Now, if anyone is interested in me doing a tutorial on the finger knitting and how I put this together, please leave it in the comments down below, and I will try to work something in at some point. But I'm going to continue. I'm going to go ahead and continue to make some more of these, because they're actually very quick. And then I'm going to show you a display. I'm going to put these on an actual plate and let you look at them. But yeah, it looks like a cookie. So that's what I've been working on as well. Now, things coming up, I am involved with oh, I forgot what the name was. Anyway, it's somebody I will look it up and put it down below. Anyway, he is having he's really good. So I need to put his information down below. I went blank. But he is doing a summer make-along. You can sew, knit, crochet, spin, whatever with the fiber arts that you want to do. And he's having a contest. You know, you make your stuff, you put it on his Ravelry, and so I'm going to do that. And I have some patterns. I have not printed them out. I will do that, and on my next video I will show you. So I have some summer things made out there that I'm going to be working on. And then I have brought up Crochet Luna to you before. If you have not checked her out, please go check her out. Subscribe to her if you haven't. It's just crochet. She does crochet. And she is having a number of sales that she is putting on. Well, I checked into one of them, and it's Box of Ornament sale. And so I am going to be making a bunch of ornaments for that sale as well. So I will be getting all this stuff together and probably start working on some of them and show you in my next video. So, the last thing that I want to do, let me see, where is it? I have everything all right here. Oh, here it is, in this little basket that I keep everything in. Okay, last thing I want to do is the winner for the vintage hat. pattern. And if I can find everything. I used the random number generator before I did the video. There were 5 entries for the vintage hat, and Linda Denton won. So Linda, congratulations, you won the vintage hat pattern. I have your address, so I will just get this in the mail to you. Thank you so much for playing along. Next, on my next video, I will have another little something that might interest you. So I think that is all for this time. I want to thank everybody so much for liking, subscribing, commenting, sharing my videos. It means a lot to me. Please continue to have a wonderful day, and I will see you in my next video. Take care.